Yeah. Go get that puck. This puck over here. You're doing good. Let me get this chocolate off your face. That'll help.
No!
Let it hit the stick. Okay, take a picture of hitting the puck.
Where is it?
Go bang that puck into the goal.
Where's the go?
Right between Grandma's legs.
Hit it harder.
No, I have to go.
Would you want to send a snapshot through there?
Grandma. What? Oh, okay.
Wait,
No.
I'll bring the goal over closer, okay?
No, I don't move. I'm coming around.
See if we can hit this goal.
What's that for? That's the goal.
That's to bang the puck into the goal.
That's to hit the wood stick. Choke up on the stick.
Good.
Steve.
No, she's good.
Steve, have a choke up on the stick. It's too long for her.
Okay.
What kind of face is that? Let's see a big slap shot.
I have to take it very slow.
A slow
Oh,
way to make
yeah.
it.
I have to.
Oh, that was good. Choke up on the stick, Steve.
Put your hands down further.
Lower down, Kelly. Yeah. No, take it. Let me help you. Hold the stick lower down.
No.
I'll help you.
Well, if Kelly skates backwards, I bet she could get to it.
Okay, hold it. Like, put this hand lower. Okay, now.
Okay.
She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
Hey, hit it into...
Good job. Do popcorn. Let me hear pop. I'm ready to have the chat. Okay.
What you ready for?